Hi gang, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy and you are watching Wendy with the Eye. I am back with another Black girl unboxing. This is from Saks Fifth Avenue. They actually had some items that I have been eyeing that went on sale. One of these items I actually shared on my Instagram page, so if you are not following me on there, you need to do so. I will put that information right here, and also it'll be linked in the description box. Also, I got a pair of shoes from Gia Purnell Testback, and I have these shoes in an off-white, and I needed a pair of black shoes, black slides that were super comfortable and stylish and cute, and so I was like, no brainer, those are the shoes that I wanted, and they went on sale too. Yeah, no brainer. So I tried on the shirt. I love the shirt. I love how it kind of cinches you at your waist and brings it in. I definitely need that just for my figure. And then yeah, shoes are bad. But that's all I got. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Talk to y'all later. Bye.